Hey, have you noticed how much litter there is in our neighborhood lately?
Yeah, it's been pretty bad. It's like people forgot how to use trash cans.
Exactly. We should do something about it. How about organizing a community cleanup?
That's a great idea. We could get our friends and neighbors involved too.
Definitely. It'll be a fun way to make a positive impact on our environment.
I'm all in. Let's set a date and spread the word.
Sounds like a plan. Oh, by the way, have you heard about the new recycling program the city is launching?
Yeah, I saw the announcement. It's about time we had better recycling options.
Agreed. It'll make it easier for everyone to do their part in keeping our environment clean.
Absolutely. Hey, speaking of recycling, have you started using reusable bags when shopping?
Yeah, I've been trying to remember to bring them with me. It's a small change, but every bit helps, right?
Definitely. And have you considered using a reusable water bottle instead of buying plastic ones?
That's a good idea. I'll make the switch right away.
Awesome. It's all about making simple changes in our daily habits to reduce waste.
Totally. Hey, did you know there's a park cleanup event happening next weekend?
Really, I didn't hear about that. Count me in. It'll be a great way to give back to our community and help the environment.
Awesome. I'll sign us up. It'll be fun to spend the day outdoors making a difference.